my people that know me well know I hate paintwork. I hate it with all my passion. I hate rubbing down. I don't mind welding up. I don't mind bodging up. I'm bugging if I like painting. So we made a big start on it last weekend, and I had a week off because of the COVID reaction. And we came back on it again yesterday. Now, there's lots happened since then, but you're not going to see. Not on this anyway, on something else. So we got it. We started yesterday, and we gave it a coat of what you can only describe as liquid gloop. The roof came out not too bad. It's got a few creases, a few marks because where it's got some damage, but I'm not doing anything about that. I'm not going crazy. Tailgate came out exceedingly good. The repairs on the BC posts are not that bad. They need more, but they need some more filler. Down the side, well, not looking too bad, I don't think. Across the back, not looking too bad. Not that this is filler dust because I've been rubbing it. I'm doing it by hand with a sort of. I could do it with a DA. I'm going to have to do something with a DA because I'm just getting too tired to rub down. But I'm trying to get it sort of one uniform coat, sort of a bit nasty here and a bit nasty here or here. But we're not going to worry about that. I'm going to get the tops of the doors. What I'm going to plan is do all the bits you see. Oh, you're going to see it if we ever see it, if I ever get it done. But yeah, so I think we're going to have a good. I'm going to keep on it today. Obviously, need to say it is. It's Sunday. You should know what that was. And it's 5 to 5. And time's precious, so I'm wasting it wisely in the shed. I've been out here since, I don't know, about 9 o'clock. Main reason being because I thought, why not? So, what I'd like to say to you guys is it's looking, I think, better every day. Whether that's going to be, you know, a success, I don't know. And whether you're going to laugh at my idea about putting mini headlights in it, hence the mini headlights being gone, look, see. Now, I like the idea, but I'm getting resistance from my crew, from my team. They're all saying no. They're not they're not xenon, so I could put them in. If I had time, I would have chopped off those great big ugly looking binnacles, filled those holes, and I'd have put the mini lights in and had the indicators and the headside lights in the minis, and then had mini headlights in it. And I think that would have been really quite interesting. Plus, it would have given it the look of a Series 1 with the chrome rings around. So, you know, hey, it's all about modifying and mod-grading and no speakers and no furry dice. But, as you can see, God, I could do with some stopper. It's one thing I can't find in my collection of crap is any stopper. I got a few bogies gopping in like little holes, but you know, hey. But I mean, on the whole, I don't know how you think, but I think she's looking pretty freaking good. I just want to get in paint. I'm going past Karen now. I'm going to try and do all the top surfaces and make them reasonably good. A little bit nasty on there on the bonnet. Could do with a little bit of trim, maybe with a grinder. I will see. Door okay. Top of that door okay. That back way okay. Yeah, I mean, come on, guys. I mean, considering how it was, I'm actually surprised we got this far, but we did. So, as I said, for now, there's my mini headlights. See, I think they look great. No, you don't, but I think they would. They just look. Well, they look nice. I think they look great, and I don't think this is the car to try them in. But unfortunately, I've got those ones there, and I've got the headlight buckets over there. So I'm getting resistance. They don't want to do it. So that's it. So I've got to bow to the pressure from the children, and we're just going to keep going. Just going to keep plodding on. Nice thing about if I use the headlights, I wouldn't have to worry about that stupid backing dome that's missing. Anyway, so I'm not going to dwell on that though. I'm just going to say, guys, I hope that I know the videos have been quite a lot recently, and they're just like not really interesting. So I don't know whether you're going to sort of see this massive transformation which you've got here there now, from what you're seeing to now. I don't know. We've got most of it now, and we've got most of the trim down apart from the door panels. So yeah, we're getting there. Oh, carpet set. We've got to cut some carpets, but that's another day. That'll be a day when we get it clean inside. I want to get the coat of paint on it, and then I want to start getting the glass back in it. So, and then they keep saying, what's the point in painting around the apertures with 2-pack paint? You might as well paint the whole bloody car. So there is a likelihood that we've got some 2.5 litres of white paint over there, and if I can get the gravity feed going, I might just try and mask up some of this over here, and I think we might just try and spray it, get the other compressor out and spray it on a low pressure volume so it doesn't make so much, so much like fumes. We've got enough paint, we've got enough thinners, we've got enough hardness, so to be honest, I think it might be worth a go. It can't be any worse, can it? Tell me. If it gets a coat of paint on it, could you honestly tell me it's not going to look better? With or without a few dings, and a few chips, and a few marks. I mean, come on, it was never going to look bloody perfect, was it? If you start with the size here, there's only people like Bad Chad that can make a soap first out of it. I bet you he uses more filler than me. So, as I said, 1 tin of filler, loads of old second-hand DA discs which I had for years, and an awful lot of rubbing down. Welding, grinding, and stone chip. So, like I say, talk to you soon. If you enjoyed it, I'll keep watching. If you don't look. If you did, press that little like button and give us some algorithm boosts. Talk to you soon. Bye.